What's up, everybody? The weekend's almost here and we're back with another video.
That's right, and we want you to join us at Castaways RV Resort and Campground right after this intro.
What's up, everybody? We are back at Castaways RV Resort and Campground. If you watch our videos, you'll see that we reviewed and toured this campground a few weeks ago. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go back and check it out. It's another wonderful weekend here, and we just wanted to bring you another wonderful video. So right now, Kim's going to tell you a little bit about what's going on this weekend here at Castaways.
There's a lot of events going on this weekend at Castaways. It's actually one of their patriotic weekends. Earlier today, we did a digital scavenger hunt. We should have recorded that, but we were running a little bit late, and I totally forgot about that. So I'm sorry about that, but it was nice. You had about I think it was about 12 items to find. I don't know. It was a sheet full of items that you actually had to find, take a picture, and then take it back, and then the kids got prizes. Okay. So that was a fun thing to do. They had face painting earlier.
Candle making. Yeah,
candle making. So they're going to be showing a movie for the kids later. Right now, we're actually going to take you to inside of Ocean City, and you're going to see what it looks like before the Memorial Day weekend.
Yes, because after the Memorial Day weekend here in Ocean City, it gets extremely busy. Lots of fun, lots of things to do in Ocean City, Maryland after Memorial Day. But we're going to take you into Ocean City, probably down to the boardwalk.
Yes.
We'll take you down to the boardwalk and see a couple of things. And then later on after that, I think what we might try to do is put together a nice quick fire and maybe cook up some s'mores, or maybe Kim might have something special, a dessert that she found, and we're going to try and we might show you that. All right.
We're going to. I'm eating sweets.
All right.
I'm eating sweets.
That's right. She loves her sweets. All right. So stay tuned and stay with us, and we're going to move right along. All right. See ya.
Bye.
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it, but you're also leaving me behind. Just a few more hours, you'll be on your way, like dancing on a wire. Oh, how I try to make you stay. Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Or won't you stay? Won't you stay? Tell me all your secrets, 'cause I already forgot. I need to be stronger for my weakness. Oh, you think that I'm strong, but I'm not.
we're actually visiting Ocean City, and behind me to my right is my favorite French fry spot, Thrashers French Fries, the best French fries of all time. Okay, in the summertime, the line goes about 100 feet. They do not provide ketchup for your French fries, and the fries are made with 100% peanut oil. They're delicious.
7 shots for 10, you pop 2, I got you. No, I'm kidding.
Thank you.
Come on in, guys. Any fries, any size, anything you want when you win water racing. Water racing competition. You're not gonna get it.
No problem. Let's get on it.
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it. But you're also leaving me behind. Just a few more hours, you'll be on your way, like dancing on a wire. Oh, how I try to make you stay. Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Tell me all your secrets. 'Cause
All right, we just left Thrashers French Fries. Now we're at Fisher's Popcorn, a staple here in Ocean City, Maryland. If you love French fries and you want dessert, you gotta come to Fisher's Popcorn. They have apple popcorn, cheese popcorn, caramel popcorn. It is the greatest. You will love it. If you're ever down in Ocean City, you gotta come check it out. All right? See you later.
Hi everybody, as I mentioned earlier, I was going to show you how to make a dessert that we are going to put in a waffle cone, wrap it up tightly and put it over the embers of a fire and cook it about 3 to 5 minutes. So I've already washed my strawberries, so what we're going to do is going to slice up some bananas, slice up some strawberries as well. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take our waffle cone and we are going to just put whatever you want in it. If you want a lot of bananas, a lot of strawberries, a lot of marshmallows, a lot of chocolate, it is totally up to you. Do whatever you like. But me personally, you know, I love strawberries. So we can put some strawberries and bananas in, and then we're going to do some marshmallows. And my favorite chocolate. Get back here. More chocolate. Okay, and maybe couple more strawberries. Okay, and then we are going to wrap it in aluminum foil tightly. I've already pre-made some. The kids are at the playground right now, so I figured I would have this dessert ready for them when they come back. Okay, now we're going to go put these over the hot embers and wait for the chocolate to melt. Let's go. Hi everybody, we just got our goodies off the embers, so let's open it up and see what it looks like. Nice and melted. Let's taste it. Mmm. Delicious. And it was actually very easy to make as well. All right, try this with your family.
Okay, everybody, that just gives you a quick tour of the inlet portion of Ocean City, Maryland.
Yeah, Ocean City actually stretches approximately 9 to 10 miles. It's filled with restaurants, condos, hotels, and nightlife. A lot for everybody. They also have a Jolly Roger amusement park, Chimper's rides for kids. It's a lot to do.
Yes, and being that Castaways here is in close proximity to Ocean City, it's a great place to come and camp and also have a good time in Ocean City as well. So if you're ever in the area, come on down and check it out, right?
That's right.
All right, so we're gonna move on. All right, we'll see you.
We hope you enjoyed our second visit to Castaways RV Resort and Campground.
And also our quick tour of the Ocean City Boardwalk. We showed you a couple of the places that we like to eat once we go down to the boardwalk, right?
Yeah.
And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a recipe for the dessert, the delicious dessert that Kim made, in the description for this video if you want to make it yourself. So we hope you check it out. It is delicious.
All right, and we hope you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our video. And this is to you, and we hope you have a wonderful weekend.
Bye.
Bye.